math. My mom's over there. She's like, what are you doing? Fuck. But yeah, like, okay, so, I'm always asking, like, why does math do this, or why does infinity happen, and blah, blah, blah. Usually I'm kind of held back by asking those questions because, there's other people in my class, and obviously we can't spend the whole class talking hypothetically, since that's what those kind of questions are. But today, I had to catch up on some math work, and I spent an hour with my math teacher catching up. Half hour, I was done with the work I had to do, which was just, like basic algebra stuff. And then, after that, though, it started out, because, like, he was like, excuse me, anything to the 0 power is 1, and I'm just like, well, why is that? How does that make sense? And so, he pulled out some graphs and, like, showed me some stuff, and it's crazy, like, the curve of, like, an exponential line is just, it never touches the x-axis, first of all, no matter how fucking close it gets, and I don't understand that for shit. But then again, that's like learning about, like, infinity and having to accept that it just doesn't touch, which is hard for people. Yeah, it's hard for people not to touch. No, but, so there's that, and then it's like, it goes up at, like, a slow incline until it hits, like, 1 on the y-axis, and then it just takes off like a motherfucker. Like, I don't understand it at all. Like, what? Like, and this is why I can't do math, because it's like, I can do basic math, and I'm like, yeah, that makes sense, that equals that, because that. But as soon as you get hypothetical on me, or, like, you're showing me something, and you're, in math, you're just supposed to take things for face value, because fuck if anyone knows, really, besides, like, math people. But, like, I can't take things for face value. Like, why doesn't it ever touch the x-axis? Why? And my math teacher's just like, oh, because, infinity, and I'm just like, fuck. And, then we got on talking, like, does anything tangible that's been proven, is it ever infinite? Because, like, we were talking, I was saying, like, the universe is, supposedly infinite, but it's not technically tangible since we have not proven it yet. It could be, a tangible thing, but it's not, it just wouldn't help the situation. And, like, nothing in the world really is infinite unless you're talking about, like, the infinite amount of times you could have something. Have as in, like, half, not have. I have a New Jersey accent, don't hate me. But, like, dude, don't eat. Oh, dude, I wonder if this video would be better with my glasses off, since my eyes are just like, what the fuck? Yeah, don't even get me started on math. Like, oh god, it's too bright out. I can't do this. Like, what? And, like, when you think about it, our whole system of, like, numbers and shit could be, like, flawed somehow. Like, it could probably be perfected and shit, It works practically, but outside, the practical shit, once you get into, like, doing shit with infinity and then infinity times shit, it's just like, what? Like, calculus is interesting as shit, don't get me wrong. I would love to learn more about it, but I know in order to, like, calculate... Ugh, my throat is dry because I'm talking so much about math. But I know that if I was, like, I wouldn't want to go into calculus to, like, learn about, like, how to calculate calculus things. I'd want to go into calculus to learn about infinity and why infinity is infinite, which I don't really think anyone really knows, but fuck. You don't even know. Like, you don't even know. God. I seem like such a stoner. I'm freaking out about math. I'm in fucking Rasta colors. Fuck. But you really don't even understand math. No one does. No one understands it, which bugs the fuck out of me. Like, what? What? How do you math? How does one math? Oh, this is a 5-minute video of me talking about math and how I'm mad at it because it's math. Oh, that is a terrible angle. I don't like that angle. Let's do that whole MySpace angle. Yeah, look at that. Oh, yeah. So sassy. Yeah. I think my mom's just, like, completely done with me at the moment. Yeah, it's about done. She's just like, my fucking child's fucking crazy. I don't even care anymore. Yeah. Right, Mom?
Yes.
Yep. Yeah. Math. Yeah. My mom's just like, math better than drugs. Fuck. Ew, you can see the reflection of my legs in my glasses. Like, yeah, I don't want to see my legs. Get out of there. Oh, my eyes. Hello, hello. But yeah, math is crazy. Like, if you could, like, understand that shit and, like, you know, like, the calculus shit and, like, why, not even just understanding how to do calculus, but understanding why, like, please, like, talk to me, because shit, I want to understand that. Like, I can't handle this not understanding things. It's just, like, I've literally hit, like, my human limit of being able to understand things. Like, you know, that whole, like, tangibility thing, and, like, fuck, like, I've hit, like, not the physical wall, but I've hit the wall of being, like, I can no longer understand. And that is such a weird wall to hit if you've ever hit it, because it's just, like, your brain kind of shorts out and goes in circles, and then at some point you're just like, fuck this shit, I don't understand it at all. And I was at that point today, but I was so interested on understanding it and knowing more, but I fucking suck at math.